Chongqing DAYang Vehicle Company Limited, hereinafter called DAYang, was established in April 2012 and passed the National CCC certificate in March 2013. DAYang is the holding subsidiary company of DAYang Northern EK Core Motorcycle Company Limited, which is also the only enterprise that passed national manufacturer access in southwest China. DAYang is a comprehensive enterprise, specially developing, manufacturing, and selling tricycle, with three famous brands, DAYang, Zhuangzi, and Xifeng. DAYang is located in Laohuang Industrial Park, Chongqing. Because Chongqing is the base of motorcycle, we have unique conditions and advantages. Now we have 608 employees, including 40 management persons and 30 engineers. There are 2 assembling lines, 1 vehicle testing line. Thus, capacity of production can reach to 60 to 80 tricycles per shift. We have 2 subsidiaries, 1 chassis factory and 1 carriage factory, including cab. There are separate welding lines for chassis, carriage, and cab, and other 2 lines for picking, phosphating, and electrophoresis. There are more than 200 production equipment totals. Production capacity will be 200 sets chassis and carriages and 100 sets cabs per shift. So far, DAYang occupies an area of production workshop 80,000 square meters, office building and dormitory 5,840 square meters, and green area 4,050 square meters. 5 workshops are separately for final assembling, chassis, carriage including cab, painting, and trial production. The plant layout of production line for Phase 2 is based on the scale of annual output of 100,000 tricycles. Meanwhile, DAYang plans to establish an R&D center with area of 7,830 square meters. The center includes 3 coordinate measuring room, modeling room, trial producing workshop, parts performance test room, and engine test room. After the establishment of Phase 2 manufacture base, the whole tricycle's manufacturing process will be perfectly integrated, such as design of model, production of key parts chassis, carriage, and cab, testing of cooperation parts, vehicle assembling, and other aspects too. DAYang President Mr. Li has positioned Phase 2. It will be the base of tricycle, R&D, and manufacturing, which can present Chongqing's highest level. DAYang's production capacity, produced performance, and the quality will be to a new high level soon. The manufacturer-based Phase 3 will be as the supplement of Phase 2. Our annual output will be 150,000 tricycles after finishing. At that moment, DAYang will be the largest tricycle manufacturing base in West China. Thus, Chongqing-made tricycle brand DAYang will become the most shining star in the West, even in China. We are also committing to make an international famous brand and striving for it all the time. Chongqing DAYang Vehicle Company Limited.